Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm feeling a bit under the weather"? What do you think it means? Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of under the weather. I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. She looked under the weather during the meeting, probably catching a cold. He's been a bit under the weather lately, so he's been staying home. I skipped the gym because I felt under the weather after lunch. When you're under the weather, rest and fluids can really help. Any ideas yet? Let's look at a hint. Picture someone curled up on the couch with a blanket and a cup of tea. What do you think they're feeling like? This idiom isn't about the actual weather, it's about how someone feels. Under the weather means you're feeling sick, tired, or not at your best, usually from a cold, the flu, or some other mild illness. It's a polite and common way to say you're not feeling well. Which sentence uses under the weather correctly? A. I love walking under the weather when it rains. B. She stayed home because she felt under the weather. C. I studied under the weather all weekend. The correct answer is B. She stayed home because she was feeling sick. Here are a few similar phrases you might hear. Not feeling well, a simple and polite phrase. Feeling off, a casual way to say something's not quite right. A bit sick, more direct but still commonly used. All of these can be used when you're not feeling 100%. Now it's your turn. Can you write your own sentence using under the weather? Post it in the comments and join in on the discussion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out more common English idioms in our playlist. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful English lessons every week.